Okay, so I want to create a quiz on eye diseases, and I want to post it on YouTube. I've already integrated over here. It's quite simply just integrate. And
Greek mythology.
And the way you do that is after you purchase the Genius plan. This is like a Genius plan feature. Otherwise, you can still download what you're going to create. So I have my content over here, and I'm going to go ahead and generate the quiz. It's about ocular surface conditions, and specifically like pterygium condition, which is something that looks like a flap that's just building on top of your eye. Okay, so
quiz. What do you know?
This is a image generated through artificial intelligence, as you can tell, and we're going to replace that image and also change a bit the cover and the subtitle, and gonna go to make the, let's see, I like this, this is not that bad actually. Maybe we can change the colors up, should we? To be honest, the default looks kind of nice, although this looks pretty good too. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the background image to an image that is realistic. It's actually displaying what the condition would look like, which is this, right? And I am content with this.
About pterygium and cancer. The approximate prevalence of pterygium in certain populations.
Nice. It's gonna say 22%. That's the correct answer, which is right.
These factors does not increase the risk of pterygium.
Right. Dark skin doesn't. Good. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and export. So I'm gonna go ahead and render this video. Nice. It's rendering, it takes a few seconds, and at that point we can schedule it to post. So I'm gonna go ahead and post it right now, notify my subscribers, and let's see. Yeah, the video has been scheduled. Has it been though? We're gonna go ahead and check my YouTube channel. As you can see, the video is published over here, and why don't we go ahead and check it out?
Ocular surface conditions. Quiz. What do you know about pterygium and cancer? What is the approximate prevalence of pterygium in...
Seems like it's working. So that's how you make a YouTube quiz in under 2 minutes, and you can also post it directly on YouTube, saving you probably around 30 minutes of time, right? Let me know what you think.